guys, welcome back to the channel. The vapor barrier people just left and this is what that looks like. We're looking underneath the mobile home and what they did was clean out the ground. They raked all the stuff out that didn't need to be down here. They put this vapor barrier. They checked for moisture on the underbelly of the house up there, making sure everything up there was intact, and I think it looks good. Let's walk around a little bit. I haven't been down here since they put in the air conditioning unit because it was too muddy down here. So this is what that looks like. Yeah, this is the air conditioning situation they hooked up here. And we're at the back of the house. This is all the connections there. So I think we're right outside of the laundry unit, the laundry room. Dehumidifier access. Yep, freshwater connection, all that stuff. Everything is looking good so far. Back to my favorite part, the deck. Just taking a nice look around because the vapor barrier people were here for a few hours. So next week the city will be out to connect the plumbing lines. They're gonna run some pipes underground to the street, and at the same time the electric company will be out to connect the power lines. So they asked me if I wanted them above ground or underground, and I opted for underground, thinking that might be a good plan in case of hurricanes or anything like that. Less chance of power lines going down. But yeah, that's the latest, and I'm gonna wrap up this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next